Hey everyone! Moving internationally from Austria and wondering how to pack your furniture so it arrives safe and sound? I'm from 3 Movers, and today I'm sharing clear, reliable steps to protect your furniture during a long-distance move. The first thing you want to do is plan. Take inventory of every piece of furniture. Note sizes, materials, and whether they disassemble. Organizing your plan ahead makes packing faster and helps movers understand what tools and materials you'll need. For larger items like bed frames or dining tables, take them apart when possible. Keep screws, bolts, and small parts in labeled bags taped right to the furniture or stored in a centralized organizer. This prevents lost pieces and speeds up reassembly at your new home. Next, protection. Wrap each piece with bubble wrap and moving blankets, paying special attention to corners and edges. Use shrink wrap to secure padding and keep drawers closed. These layers safeguard your furniture from scratches and shifting during international transit. And that's it. With a solid plan, careful disassembly, and proper wrapping, your furniture will be packed ready for international moving from Austria. For more tips and personalized help, visit 3movers.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for straightforward moving advice you can trust.